need a verb. Yes, that is correct. But the order is correct. Yes, always need a verb. So say Linda 是我们的老师吗 ？Next, make a question quickly. Remember, use picture. Don't translate English. Translate English, you're thinking, always a mistake.
我们是 Linda 学生吗
Yes, Linda 的。
Linda 的学生
Yes, correct.
你要水吗
Yes, correct. Try. Mistake doesn't matter.
Linda 是美国人吗
Correct. Just try. If you made a mistake, don't worry. We will help you. Okay? Make sentence.
他是朋友吗
他是朋友吗 Means, is he friend? You want to say, is he my friend, right? Try again. Picture. Look. 他是我的朋友吗 Try again.
他是我的朋友吗
Yes. Use picture. Okay? Look, 他是我的朋友吗 Yes, picture. Don't translate English. Okay, next.
我们是你的学生吗
Correct. Next.
你是我的老师吗
Good. Next.
我们是外国人吗
Correct. Okay, more? Yes.
多少水吗
Okay, 多少 didn't learn yet. Wait. Don't jump. Don't. Now we baby slowly. Okay, next.
你有中国谁吗
Yes, correct. Next.
你是中国的老师吗
Yes. Okay. More.
你有学生吗
Yes. Next. Try. In the class is a good opportunity to build your confidence to speak. Okay, don't be shy. Okay, next.
你是我们的朋友吗
Correct.
你是中国人吗你是中国人
Yes, correct. See, it's 你是中国人吗 Yes, means are you Chinese, right? So it means you are Chinese? Yes. Okay, yes.
你是中国不人你是 I'm not Chinese 你是
I'm not Chinese, it's not question.
No, I want to say to answer his question.
Yes.
Are you Chinese? No, I'm
Yes,
not Chinese.
how to answer?
你 你不是
Answer.
你不是
Thank you, yes. If negative,
你不是
when we answer can be positive, can be negative, right? So, for example, the question say, 你是中国人吗 Okay, let's see. How to answer?
我不是中国人
Okay, the meaning is, are you Chinese? Okay, here is a secret. How to answer the question? Copy. Look, say, 你是中国人吗 If positive, say, 我是中国人 See, copy. You just say, because you ask 你 then say 我 then say 我是中国人 If negative use 不 Yes, then you just say 我不是 Yes. So 不 put before the verb means negative the verb. Okay? Then you say 我不是 Okay. The Noma is answer, right? So Noma. Understand? When answer, copy. In the class, we want to practice more. So I want you, when you answer, you use the full sentence. Of course, later, when you are better level, can use the short way to answer. Now let's practice more. So now let's do this. You give a question, another class, yes. Another classmate make an answer. Who? Okay, question.
你要水吗？
Answer. Who answer?
我要水。
Yes, 我要水. See, copy. Look, 你要水吗？我要水. Just copy, easy. Next.
你是要咖啡吗？
Wait. You said 你是要. There are two verbs.
你要
Yes, again.
你要咖啡吗？
Good. Answer.
我不要咖啡，我要水。
Good. See, answer say 我不要. Say 你要咖啡吗？我不要咖啡，我要水。Next.
老师，你是 Max 的老师吗？
Good. Did you understand? Look, his question very good. So his question say 老师 so ask me say 老师，你是 Max 的老师吗？ Means you are Max's teacher. Yes. So 你是 Max 的老师吗？ So I answer. I say 我是 Max 的老师。Yes. It's a name. Very good. Yes. Next.
你是中国朋友吗？
Okay. Talk about friend. Better say my friend, her friend, his friend. Try again. 你是
我不是。
不。So 你是中国朋友吗？ So means are you Chinese friend? So maybe better say are you his Chinese friend? How to say? Picture. Try again. How to say are you his Chinese friend?
你是他的中国人朋友吗？
Yes. Look, very good. Picture. Look. Picture. Because I talk to you, right? So look, 你是 means you are. So 你是 what? 你是他的朋友吗？ Means you are his friend. If Chinese friend, 你是他的中国朋友吗？ For Chinese friend, no need 人 just say 中国朋友 Okay? Yes. The answer. Who answer? The question, listen, the question is say 你是他的中国朋友吗？ Answer.
我不是他的朋友。我不是他的朋友。
中国。
中国。
Yes. Then you answer say 我不是他的中国朋友。You see, use picture. Again, one more time because this is a long sentence, it's a good sentence. Look, I talk to you. Okay, 你。So 你是他的中国朋友吗？ Answer say 我不是他的中国朋友。See, always use picture. No need to translate, right? Because translate, why? Not good. Because English look say, are you his Chinese friend? Are you? So you are thinking, are you? So because the structure is opposite. That's why take too much time and mistake. That's why use picture. Okay, the last one. Who want to try?
Joshima.
Huh? Chinese teacher?
Are we in Chinese classroom? Are you in Chinese classroom?
Try to use the word here because then everyone can understand. Try to use here, then everyone understand.
Was she woman fashion ma?
Huh? Again.
Was she woman fashion ma?
What?
Nishi woman da
Nishi. Nishi woman fashion ma.
No. He want to use 学生. 学生 means student. Okay. The question is correct. Look, picture. Talk to you. 你 what? 你是我们的学生吗 means are you our student? I think you want to say classmate. Probably. Yes, use 学生. So the order is correct. Then answer 我是你们的学生 or 我不是 right? Yes. Good. Any question? Everything is clear? Good. If you have any question, feel free to ask me, okay? Okay, let's summarize what we learned today. So today we finished all the final initials. Yeah. And then we learned very important structure. Also, I told you the secret. So the secret is that Chinese, when speak the sentence, always follow this. You will see next class we will use the same one. And if ask question, the normal question like do you want coffee? Will you go to Shanghai tomorrow? Do you like Shenzhen? So this is normal question. How to ask? The same, just add ma. Yes, is a question. When answer, copy. If negative, you just add bu before the word 不是不要 right? Yes. Okay, so for this, first you need to remember these 12 words. One, because we all the time use, right? So 我你他我们你们他们 if possession 的我的 not not 我的你的是我的你的他的我们的你们的他们的 Okay, fine. Any question? Okay, so homework. So please practice this. I hope next Saturday, everyone can make this perfect. Because then we can continue. Otherwise, we'll stuck there. So please make this very good. And if you have more time, so you can make a question answer to practice this. It's okay? Okay, thank you everyone for coming. And see you next Saturday. Thank you.